Unpacking WISPR Ranger Pro. Open WISPR Ranger Pro case. Your Ranger Pro is safely housed in a custom Pelican case. Open this case by releasing the 7 latches surrounding the case. Attach landing gear. The first step is attaching the landing gear that is stored on top and right of the drone. The drone has 2 pegs to guarantee proper placement of landing gear. Make sure to face the Velcro piece on the outside. Once in place, connect the landing gear to the drone using the red fastener and repeat for the other leg. Attach antennas to landing gear. Take the antennas that are wired to the drone and Velcro to the side of the landing gear on both sides. Remove drone from case. You are now ready to take your drone out. Lift straight up by holding the landing gear. Remove packing arm bracket. The arms of the drone are held in place by brackets that connect one arm to the adjacent one while also holding the propellers together. Release the Velcro on the propellers and pop the bracket off the arms. Repeat for all 4 arms. Fully extend arms. You are ready to fully extend all 4 arms. Lock arm brackets. Once the arms are extended, lock them in place with the bracket and do tension check on each one to ensure it is locked.